Welcome to the future of home autonomy. The robot vacuums of 2026 are no longer simple vacuums. They are sophisticated, self-maintaining cleaning systems. The leading models combine unprecedented suction power with advanced mopping technology, ensuring floors are not just dust-free, but meticulously scrubbed and sanitized. This comprehensive overview details 5 top contenders, highlighting their specialized technology, extreme power, and intelligent navigation capabilities. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra sets a new benchmark for deep cleaning with an industry-leading 30,000 Pascal suction rating, making it one of the most powerful extraction tools available for tackling embedded carpet dirt and heavy debris. Beyond raw power, its specialized mopping system utilizes an innovative extending roller mop, which automatically reaches tight spaces and under low furniture, eliminating mist zones. Crucially, the accompanying self-cleaning dock elevates autonomy by performing a heat wash and drying cycle, ensuring the roller is sterilized and fully dry between uses to prevent mildew or odors. Further security is provided by AI camera and LiDAR avoidance technology, which grants surgical precision in mapping and object recognition, alongside sensitive carpet protection features. The Roborock Saros 10R is engineered for meticulous floor coverage, focusing on high maneuverability and corner cleaning, a traditional weak spot for robot vacuums. Despite its powerful 22,000 Pascal suction and ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile for fitting beneath challenging furniture, its standout feature is the proprietary FlexiArm riser technology. This advanced mechanism allows the mopping unit to physically extend outwards, reaching deep into corners and edges for truly complete floor scrubbing. The system further enhances cleanliness with a specialized zero-tangling brush roll designed to manage long hair and pet fur without frequent manual intervention, complemented by a self-emptying function and hot air drying integrated into the dock. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete is designed as the definitive solution for homes with pets or those requiring heavy-duty, sanitized mopping. It boasts a powerful 24,000 Pascal suction and features an innovative warm water mopping system, which uses heated water to effectively dissolve sticky messes, dried spills, and pet tracks far better than standard cold mopping. The Duo solution system is specifically optimized to separate pet dander and hair during the vacuum cycle while maintaining the integrity of the warm mopping process. Furthermore, its advanced liftable navigation allows the robot to seamlessly overcome obstacles and thresholds, ensuring uninterrupted, deep cleaning across diverse floor plans. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 maintains its legacy as the master of pure vacuum performance, focusing on raw suction strength and deep carpet extraction. Utilizing extreme power lifting suction, the highest level offered by the brand, the 705 model is built to tackle the heaviest debris loads. Its patented, counter-rotating, anti-tangle dual rubber brushes are designed to aggressively agitate carpet fibers to pull out embedded dirt and hair while preventing frustrating tangles. Paired with precise LiDAR navigation for efficient mapping and the convenient auto-empty dock, this system delivers uncompromising, reliable vacuuming power with minimal user intervention, making it the top choice for carpet-heavy homes. The NARWAL Flow introduces revolutionary track mopping technology paired with impressive AI capabilities for superior floor and carpet care. Key to its efficacy is the Flow Wash real-time self-cleaning track mop, which continuously cycles clean water across the pad, ensuring the mop is always cleaning with fresh solution rather than reapplying dirt. With 22,000 Pascal suction, it handles vacuuming duties reliably, while its dual-camera AI obstacle avoidance system provides enhanced three-dimensional spatial awareness for seamless navigation around complex home layouts and delicate items. Its design also incorporates advanced mechanisms for thorough carpet and edge cleaning, complementing the fully automated self-emptying dock for a truly effortless maintenance schedule. The 2026 robot vacuum market emphasizes total independence, pushing devices beyond simple automation into true household maintenance partners. When choosing, consider whether your priority is the pure, deep extraction of the iRobot, the corner cleaning precision of the Roborock, the sanitary warm mopping of the Mova, or the raw power and extending mop of the Dreame. The technology is here to handle virtually every cleaning challenge autonomously,